Hey there, world travelers.
Hey there.
I'm Tanya.
And I'm Dave.
And we are Turn It Up World. Welcome back to
Las Vegas!
So we're staying at the Bellagio here in Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip, and the room we're staying in is called a Salon Suite. Woo! On the Staywell floor here at the Bellagio. Now it's also a corner suite, which is quite amazing, and I'm excited to give you guys a room tour. It's quite beautiful.
No, it's really cool. Then after the tour, we'll take you down to Sadelle's, a great brunch spot here at the Bellagio. Then after that, we're gonna head to
the pool, you guys. Now I will say this really quick. This is a quite different room than our last two rooms we were in from the Aria and the Cosmopolitan. So if you haven't seen those videos, definitely go check those out. Those are crazy awesome, but this has its own sort of unique beauty. And I'm ready to get this started. You ready to rock?
I'm ready.
Let's rock! Welcome to the Bellagio. So Dave and I, we are currently staying at the sort of, I guess you would call it the Staywell Salon Suite Corner Edition. It is really fabulous, you guys, and I'm so excited to take you with this tour. Now, if you guys know anything about the Staywell Suites, if you watch our video on the Aria, which is their sister company, we stayed in one of their premier executive Staywell Suites. It was crazy big, so you should definitely go check that video out. But let's start with the tour. So as soon as you walk into the bedroom here, or it's the studio here, you can walk into the desk, which is really cute if you ask me. It's got sort of an alligator print-ish sort of fabric on the limeish green seats. Really kind of cool. Come and do your work. They give you obviously a package of goodies, which is, which we love, by the way. Oh my goodness. You got the Bellagio printed mask.
There you go.
Oh my God. And of course some hand sanitizer. Woo! Loving that. So of course, as you kind of make your way back into here, you have their sort of couch meets chase sort of vibe here. I love the color scheme with like this aqua sort of color with the lime green sort of print. Really beautiful. As you kind of walk, sit down, you have the views behind you of Caesar's Palace and mountain views. So it's really, really nice. And of course, as you walk over this way, the couches work well with the television set. So you have a nice big TV screen here with different ports, HDMI cables, so you can connect your devices. As well, and a JBL soundbar. So if you're gonna watch a movie night and you're chilling here, perfect to do so. Netflix on fleek. I just want to say, this bed looks really, really comfortable. But there's only one way to find out, Dave. And what is that?
Well, that's the bed test, of course.
That's right, y'all. It's time for the bed test. That bed is mattress approved with a capital A. I mean, that was so formulated to our bodies, y'all. It was like heaven on a cloud. This bathroom is so cool, you guys. So cool. I love how they have the deep soaker tub over here with the jets and a view outside. So you have a mountain view outside. Gorgeous.
That's nice.
Of the Rio, you have the palms across the way and the mountains in the back. I mean, that's just probably going to create what a beautiful sunset-ish vibe. Alpenglow, really cute. Love that they have the giant shower attached to it, so you can still enjoy the views of the from the shower. I love that. Dual vanities, which you know we like as well. But this is a really cool feature. Check this out. This is a mirror, hello, but it's actually a television in the mirror.
So you need your TV kick.
Boom, if you want your TV kick while you're getting ready for the evening, for whatever it might be, I hope nothing crazy pops up on here while it's powering on, but it's called electric mirror. So cool, and it's a part of this sort of mirror here as well. Isn't that awesome? That's really neat. The robes are in here. You got your Bellagio printed robes to enjoy. Looks like there's slippers, a blow dryer, and a safe, of course, for all your great needs and things. And for me, as I'm ready to tease this big hair, we have a nice little vanity, the same kind of like throwback. I feel like this is like a throwback modern. I'm gonna call it throwback modern theme, which is really kind of neat in itself. And it actually matches my phone case.
Excellent.
That's cute.
Gotta have a match.
We have a separate old school bidet.
Yeah, there you go.
I'm not sure I'm gonna use that, it's so scary. And then you have your toilet space. So, and I will say this, prices vary with rooms like this. So if you're interested in a room like this, I would definitely check online on their website for what rates you can get during the weekday as well as the night. You might find a great deal right now as they're trying to get business for sure. So I think that is it for the room tour. Love, love, love. Oh wait, no, I forgot. They do give you like cocktail water glasses, wine glasses, something where you can get your ice, and a full stocked.
There we go. The dangerous minibar.
Hey, they don't even have the razor in there.
I don't know, no razor
in there before. But you have all your options, which is censored. So if you pull out something, as soon as you pull it out, you bought it. So I want to thank you guys for joining us on this room tour. We are so excited that you do so. Now I think it's about time for us to explore more of what the Bellagio has to offer. You ready, Dave?
I am ready.
Let's go. Welcome to Sadelle's. We are so excited to be here.
Yes, it's a nice spot here at the Bellagio. They claim to have the best brunch in Vegas. We'll let you know what we think about that.
Yes, and what's really cool is when you walk in here, it's just beautiful. Like, you actually go around the new conservatory, which is kind of like the ferries that's going on right now. I thought it was beautiful. You walk in here, the decor is so inviting, and even the outfits of all the staff members and waiters, they match the decor. Okay.
No, it's really nice. Plus, they have a great view of the pool too.
Yes.
Right, you have this great way. If you have a window seat, you can be looking right down at the pool.
I know. You know, we should have probably put our bathing suits on since we're going to go check out the pool after this, but that's okay. That's okay, because it's enough time to walk upstairs, burn off this brunch, and change into our bathing suits. But first, latte.
The restaurant's open from 7 to 3, and they have breakfast brunch available all day during that time. And actually at 11 o'clock, they open up for lunch dinner as well, so have additional options around that.
So we are going with some lattes, some fresh squeezed orange juice, and I am getting the cheese blends. And the waiter was like, that's his favorite. So I'm like, okay, that's what I'm gonna try, with a side of blueberries and of course some sausage.
Yes, that sounds good.
And that's $16 for that.
And I'm actually gonna go for the French toast. It's supposed to be really good. That kind of that custard filling in there as well. And also the side of sausage too. So should be really good. Now the French toast is $22. So definitely not cheap.
Yes. And I am not kidding. I'm really excited about this.
Yeah, that looks really nice. It's not too big too, which you're worried about getting a huge portion, so it's not too bad.
This is amazing. I love how they stacked them in cute little cheese blends with little frosting topping and some sugar and syrup and blueberries. And
looks good. They don't chintz on the French toast either. Those are some pretty thick slices of French toast with the custard in there. Oh, and it smells so good. It smells so good. They're good. Kind of melts in your mouth.
You just took the words right out of my mouth. Melts in your mouth. It is so good. Really creamy. That ricotta cheese has a soft texture to it. Look how large that is.
Yeah, exactly. It's like it's a thick cut of beef. No, but it's very light. It really kind of
like that crunch.
Crispy.
Oh, that's gonna be good.
Yeah, and apparently they dry out the bread before they dip it into custard. Right, I guess that's kind of the secret, they say. But very moist. The custard really brings out a lot of moisture there, but it's not too heavy too, which is great. You look at this and you think, oh, it's going to be incredibly heavy, but it's actually very light and fluffy. French toast itself.
Yes, light and fluffy.
You know, so it's good.
Get into that sauce. Oh, look at that nice piece of sausage. It looks really good, really juicy on the inside. A lot of good rich color and flavor. The skin looks crunchy on the outside. Ready? Let's do it. Now that pork sausage is so rich in flavor.
Yeah, I think they're good. They're a little denser than I expected. Right, a little bit more filling, but very good sausage. Yeah.
All the way down, like even the more as I chew it, it's still like that flavor that just continually keeps coming out.
Right.
But you're right, they're very dense, but delicious.
Very good.
Dense and delicious. Woo. Okay, so I will say that was great. I feel full. I feel like the value was definitely there. It's definitely not a cheap spot for sure.
Yeah, no, it is expensive, but if you want a nice breakfast brunch spot here at the Bellagio, it's a good place to come.
The food here is absolutely wonderful. Great views of the pool, which reminds me, I'm gonna work finishing this latte so we can hit the pool. You ready? So we'll see you guys at the pool. Cheers!
Cheers. Beautiful here, really beautiful.
It really is.
Yeah.
It's nice because you actually have your choice seating. 9 o'clock today, it happens to be about 61, 62 degrees.
It's a little cool.
But the pool is supposedly heated, so it's a good opportunity for us to put that to the test. But 9 o'clock, man, you can't beat that. Where you can pick your own seats, got a little sunshine and an umbrella for if it gets too hot, the perfect spot.
All right.
The water is nice and warm, but I think the problem is you're gonna either want to stay in here all day, because getting out right now at 62 degrees could be a little chilly. What do you think?
Exactly. Oh yeah, no, it's really nice in the pool. It is gonna warm up into the 70s today, so it's gonna be a really nice day. But right now, it's definitely on the cool side. So you wanna stay in the water and enjoy it. And I think we have the pool to ourselves this morning.
I know, take a look. Not a soul in the pool. Everybody's scared of 61-degree weather except the Bostonians. Woohoo! To you guys, so when you are enjoying the pool here, the one thing to be mindful of is that there is a mask requirement right now, especially unless you have a drink or some food. They do require you to wear a mask, or if you're in the pool. Obviously, you can't wear a mask in the pool, but if you're in the pool, you don't have to have a mask on. But outside of the pool, other than having a drink in your hand or some food, you got to wear a mask.
Yeah, they're pretty strict about it too.
Yeah, the mask police they're around. They'll let you know as soon as you pull it off for sure. So wear your mask. So that about does it for us, you guys. Thank you so much for joining us here at this Bellagio sort of adventure. The rooms were cool, the food was tasty, and the pool is warm.
Yes, nice pool.
Yes, and if you made it this far, thank you so much. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you get every time we post something new and exciting. As always, thanks for joining us, world travelers, and we look forward to seeing y'all
in Las Vegas. Yeah, I know, right? I love you, Duncan.